Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in Malaysia. If you are interested becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.westlakeschool.edu.my. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page. I will give it to the website address in the description. You can use and apply as per the instruction. In this main page, left corner menu available. If you click this link menu, you can get one option. Last option, career opportunities. If you click this link career opportunities, you can get what are the job vacancies for Westlake International School, how to apply, everything you can get it from here. So what they provide, they offer a working environment as a supportive. They provide opportunities for qualified candidates who are seeking rewarding and fulfilling careers in education. So they offer competitive expatriate package are available for overseas applicant. Accommodation may be provided to successful applicant who are from out of state. So everything mentioned here. So what they expect. So our teachers are qualities of competence, commitment and care and compatibility. They are mentioned here. So what are the position available for 21-22? The academic position for chemistry teacher, Mandarin, mathematics, senior math teacher, senior physics teacher, English first language teacher, English second language teacher, senior IELTS teacher, primary science teacher. These are the vacancies for Westlake International Schools, Malaysia. So what are the responsibilities for teachers? So here given plan and deliver lessons, assess students effectively through formative, provide pastoral care, contribute to department and school-wide activities, communicate effectively to stakeholders including parents. So these are the responsibilities for teachers. So what they expect? So what is the requirement for the teachers? Degree in the relevant subject, professional teaching qualification, that is B.Ed is mandatory, minimum 3 years teaching experience in international school, minimum 3 to 5 years teaching experience in A level, ICT competencies and proficient spoken and written English, ability to teach using active learning methodologies. So these are the things are requirement for the teachers. So they welcome applicant who meet the requirement below. Relevant experience in the respective field is preferred. Fresh graduate with positive attitude, career outlook and patient to develop themselves are encouraged to apply. So fresh graduate also they can consider. So you can apply as per the instruction. If you are interested these vacancies, you can apply. So how to apply? In right corner they are given here work with a step 1. So download and fill up the job application form. So you can click this link download, you can get this job application form. Step 2, you can send together with CV, minimum 2 references, one of which should be your current and most recent employer, a passport size photo. So step 2 these things. Step 3, submit all the documents by hr@westlakeschool.edu.my. So you have to send your all the details, your downloaded application form, CV and passport size photograph and 2 references. You have to send hr@westlakeschool.edu.my. So here otherwise if you are in Malaysia you can send by post also, the address here given. So only shortlisted candidate will be notified. So all applicant will be treated with strict confidentiality. So everything they are mentioned. So now we can check job application form. This is Westlake International School job application form. This application form should take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to complete. There are only 10 sections to this application form. You will require your CV and a maximum of 2 pages and 2 references. Please ensure you have all documents ready to send this process. So the first one is your personal details, family details, territory education, secondary education, employment history, information for academic faculty for teaching position, language proficiency, other skills. Describe how you can add value to this organization, other information, medical report. Finally, you can give your references. Then declaration. Once you have completed this application form, you can send this application with your CV, minimum 2 references and passport size photo to hr@westlakeschool.edu.my. So this is the procedure for applying Westlake International School. The second one is Mont Kiara International School, Malaysia. In URL you can put www.mkis.edu.my. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. I will give it to the link, direct link in the description. You can use and apply the vacancies. So in this home page, you can get one option home. If you click this link home, you can get one option careers at MKIS. If you click this link careers at MKIS, you can get this careers page. So here they are mentioned, our selection process is highly competitive one. If you believe that you fit the MKIS criteria, please send a letter of application complete with a CV. So teacher recruitment at mkis.edu.my, they are here mentioned. They look forward to hearing from you. So these are the available teaching position: elementary school counselor, music teacher, EL teacher, PE teacher, homeroom teacher, middle and high school PE teacher. So these are the vacancies for MKIS. If you are interested these vacancies, you can send your letter of application with complete CV to teacher recruitment at mkis.edu.my. If you want to know more details about this school, you can get it from in this website. Click one by one in the menu link. What are the curriculum they are following? What is the school timing? What are the leadership and faculty? So everything you can get it from in this main page itself. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, job description, qualification and etc. The third one is the International School at Park City, Kuala Lumpur. So you can put in URL www.isp.edu.my. If you are entering this URL, you can get this in page. In this main page, one of the option about us. If you click this link about us, you can get career opportunities. If you click this link career opportunities, you can get what are the job vacancies in ISP, the International School of Park City. So these are the academic vacancies for April 2021. Secondary English teacher, secondary drama teacher, then secondary English teacher for August 2021, mathematics teacher August 2021 and secondary science teacher for August 2021. So non-academic position also available, admission and international student coordinator, ICT executive. If you are interested these vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. So if for example, if you are interested for a secondary English teacher, if you click this link secondary English teacher, you can get secondary English teacher description. So applicant for the position should have knowledge and experience of teaching some or all of the following: Key Stage 3 National Curriculum for English or IGCSE or A level, have excellent communication skill and ability to work with diverse groups, possess humor and energy, ability to positively contribute to the development of our school. So ability to teach A level English literature is desirable but not essential. So they are saying here, we encourage you read this applicant information pack available. We can check it from that. So how do I apply means clearly state the position that you are applying for and your area of expertise. Include a letter of application, maximum 2 sides of A4. Include your CV with recent photograph. Include details of your dependent and personal details. Include the following details: home address and mobile number and Skype address. 3 references. One should be your current and recent employer. So all the things are, you can mail this your application Mr. Jonathan Turner at recruitment@isb.edu.my. Application will be considered until the position is filled. So everything they mentioned here. So we can check applicant information pack. So this is the applicant information pack. So before submitting application, you can check all the details here. This is only 8 page. So what is the school details? What is the contract, benefit? working at ISP. What are the requirements for a teacher ISP? So here they are given here. The contract and benefits here they are mentioned. To attract and retain people of highest standard, we offer a comprehensive package. This includes competitive salary, excellent professional working environment and career development opportunities, medical insurance, housing and annual travel allowances, employee provident fund for the second year onwards, working visa paid for organized by the school, benefit for dependent, sports center members. So these are the things that they are offering for teachers. The initial contract length is 2 years, therefore it is renewable for 2 or 3 years periods by the mutual consent. So what are the accommodation option also available? So they are given here in the picture. This is the accommodation for teachers. What can I expect if I live a Desa Park city? So living in Malaysia, what is the weather? What is the transportation? The food and shopping. So all the details are available here. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. Whether if your skill matches your profile, you can submit as per the instructions. How to submit also already I told here. Letter of application, CV with a photograph, dependent and personal detail, home address and mobile number, Skype address, 3 references. You can send your application to Mr. Jonathan Turner, recruitment@isb.edu.my. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contact. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. If you have any doubt about these vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.